many colonies, sir? How many, sir?
In the entire Warangal district, there was almost on an average rainfall itself is 29 centimeters. So when we take the average rainfall, the highest rainfall has occurred at Parvatagiri, Kalleda, and also followed by Nekkonda, few areas where we received 40 centimeters. And when we talk about the city area, Warangal, Kila Warangal received almost 21 to 26 centimeters, which is on the highest side, extremely heavy rainfall compared to the average rainfall, because of which the low-lying areas have got inundated. We have anticipated this situation and we have started measures almost 2 days back itself, where we have declared holidays for all the markets. We told not to cut the crop. Schools were declared holidays, and all the patients as well as the estimated due date pregnant women, they were shifted to the safe places. And people in the low-lying areas, our team has started shifting them to shelter zones. By yesterday evening itself, we have shifted them. But still, the point is where the entire there, as you see, we are at Mallu Swarajam Nagar right now, wherein the water inundation is starting from here because of the Sangyam Eluru tank. From there, the water comes in, and also we have from the Vaddepalli tank. We hear that from Hanmakonda side there is a breach to that tank, because of which the water inundation is more. And due to this, even there is no rain since almost 6 to 7 hours. We are seeing the situation as there is water logging everywhere. So to see that the this entire water recedes, it may take almost like 12 to 14 hours if there is no rain. That is what we are anticipating, and also closing of any breaches anywhere to any tank is the solution. Our main concern right now is to take care of any health issues to the individuals who are in these waterlogging areas, as well as supply of food. So we are right now concentrating. We have already 6 boats with DRF as well as fire department, wherein we are. All the 6 are engaged. We have an abetting city of Hanmakonda also. Most of them, they are working towards that, because there the effect is more. And here we are trying to plan the supply through any normal. We don't get boats, but any alternate mechanism wherein the food packets can go inside. And also we are trying to rope in some drones. So hopefully next 1 hour to 1.5 hours, because by 10:30 the tiffins will be arranged is what we are told. So we'll be able to supply the food. Once we supply the food, then once the water resides, then probably the situation will be normal.
I mean, how many people rescued tonight?
Yesterday, almost 450 people in Warangal district in 9 shelter zones, they were shifted, as well as almost 400 hostelers in Warangal East. They had this water inundation, so they have been shifted to Hasanparthi. So almost like near to 900 to 1,000 people are already shifted to shelter zone. And also today morning when we are at this particular spot, in case the people who have shifted to first floor, if they want to come out, we are using the SDRF team's help to bring them out. And people who are comfortable at home, they are like fine with it. They have all the facilities. Only till the water resides, they need to take care. Our request to everybody is that till the water recedes, they should not come out of their house, because we have declared holiday for that reason also. We request all the public to cooperate with us, so that we will ensure that they come out of this waterlogging issue in Warangal city in a smooth manner.